got more boxes for the Pan America. This time, make it louder. SUPERTRAPP.
Oh, nothing beats a brand new exhaust in a box.
Nothing beats brand new stainless steel.
Woo!
22 discs in there.
How many are you keeping in?
It says it's factory tuned for the best power on the Pan America already right out of the box.
With 22 in there?
Yep, with a high flow air filter.
And that's what you added
All
last
it is
weekend.
the slip on and the mid pipe, and there's some hardware and clamps in the bottom. We're gonna do a little sound clip of before and after. Not really an install video, but more of a
Yeah, everybody knows how to put an exhaust
before
on.
and after. It's pretty simple. It's just a couple bolts and a slip on. It goes in the cat back.
Why don't you fire it up for them, stock? A lot of people are going to skip over this part just because we know, you all know what your bike sounds like if you're looking for a pipe, but we'll include it for the people who don't.
Yep. Kind of boring. Sounds like a lawnmower, weed whacker, sewing machine.
And that was a hot start because he just rode over. That wasn't cold. So
Right.
I'm sure the first start of this will be cold, but we will do hot and cold, I guess.
Yep. Be back in a little bit.
All right, we're going to throw it on.
It's been a few weeks now after we put the pipe on. I didn't film an initial startup on it, but it's got a full break in now. Changing some great color. It sounds really good. I'm super happy with it. It's pretty easy to put on, pretty straightforward. Everything cleared. Everything's nice stainless steel hardware. It fits really nice. It hits a little bit right here, but that's because of the rack I have. That has nothing to do with the pipe. But should we start it up? If it turns on. Pretty mellow. But it sounds really good. And there is zero drone on the highway or anywhere in your helmet. It just gives it a little low rumble. And it's the perfect pipe for me. I think it's great. It's not too obnoxious. You can take the cores out of the end, all the discs, if you want it obnoxious. But I like it nice and quiet. Don't want to be too loud, but I want to be able to hear the motor. So I think we'll do a couple flybys.
Sounds good.
All right.